Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Yamaha FZ8 sport bike. This inline 4-cylinder just arrived with only 18,400 miles. Beautiful matte gray finish, frame sliders, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in beautiful shape, has that nice smooth 4-cylinder performance. Come on by and make your motorcycle dreams come true with this awesome FZ8, only $54.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, ContraCostaPS.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.